I'm going to go to the regional and language and then date and time formats page. In Drupal 7, that'll be under config and then date and time here. If you ever had to deal with date and time formats in Drupal 7, it was probably a bit confusing. The way that it worked is that you could create formats by going to the Formats tab. I'm going to add a format just for a simple year here, and I'll click Add Format. And then in the types, you could add a date type, and you would select a particular format, and here's the one I just added, and you could create a new type. And then this new type is one that you can use in various places of configuration, like for example, how you want to display a date in a view. This whole interaction between formats and types is a little weird. When you decide that you want to change one of the types, it's not exactly clear where you should do it. Should you edit the format? Should you edit the type? There's inevitably going to be some trial and error as you work through the process. In Drupal 8, this has been simplified to one type of configuration, which is really nice. So basically, formats and types have been merged into one. So now if we want to add a format, we would create a label, we'd use the string, and then we could click Add Format, and we're done. We can now use this in our configuration. In Drupal 8, there are some additional formats that have been added to core that can't be edited. And as of right now, you can delete these defaults, the default long date, medium, short date, by going to the dropdown and clicking delete. Again, this is something that I suspect will be removed in the future, because these may be depended upon for other configuration on the site.